Hey everyone, welcome back to Teach Me Now. So today guys, we're coming back with another video. Hope you all are already having your pen and your paper there with you. Today's topic is based on Euclidean geometry. Grade 11 and 12 Euclidean geometry, right? Without waste of time, let's go to our question. Question 9. 9.1, in the diagram below, O is the center of the circle. So when I see the keyword center, I think of the radius R, right? And OS is perpendicular to the chord RT. Okay, we can all see that by that sign, right? Perpendicular. That's the sign for perpendicular. That's good. So now prove using Euclidean geometry methods the theorem that states that RS is equals to ST. Basically, we're proving theorem 1, right? So the first thing that you need to do, you need to write RTP. That's required to prove. So basically, you need to understand what is it that you're proving first. So we're proving that RS is equals to ST. That's good. So, but now if we can check one thing, we don't have our radius, right? We only have what? A chord. Remember I said when I see the term center, I think of a radius, right? So now, let's construct. So on our construction, we need to say join. Now we join O, R, as well as O, T. Let me use a different color to show you. So we're joining OR as well as OT. That's good. So as from there now we have our radius, which is OR as well as OT. Remember I said when I see center, I think of radius, but when I go back to my sketch, I didn't find my radius. I only saw a chord, which is RT. So now, through my proof, I'll have to what? Construct at least so that I can have my radius. Now I have OR as my radius as well as OT as my radius. That's good. Then now let's jump into our proof now. Let's prove. Now we need to prove, guys. Now we need to prove. So our proof, so on our proof, guys, we need to say, okay, in triangle O R S and triangle O T S, right? OR is equals to OT, right? Is equals to OT. The reason, right? The reason is what? Right? And then OS is equals to OS. The reason common. Right? That's good. And then S1 is equals to S2. The reason we are given that S1 is equals to S2, which is equals to 90 degrees. Because of that sign there, here's the sign, right? So if S1 is equals to 90, we can conclude and say S2 is also 90 because angles on a straight line, they add up to 180, they are supplementary, right? So, and then as from there now, we can now conclude and say triangle ORS is congruent to triangle OTS, right? And then the reason RHS, right? What does that mean? R for right angle, that's 90, the right angle. H for hypotenuse, the longest side, hypotenuse. That's our first hypotenuse. Second one is that one, which is our hypotenuse. They are both equal. And then this side, we have our common side, which is OS. That OS has to do with that side there, right? Then, as from there, since now we've concluded to say triangle ORS is congruent to triangle OTS, now we can say, okay, cool, these two triangles are actually the same in every sense, meaning now we can conclude and say RS is equals to ST, right? So these triangles are equal in every sense, meaning all the angles are equal, all the sides are equal as well, right? So hence we had to conclude and say RS is equals to ST. And the reason for that, triangle ORS is congruent to triangle OTS. Proven. We're done. Thank you, guys. Your tutor from Teach Me Now signing out.